Here are 42 drivers you have to be careful of when driving on the road. Like and subscribe. How did this guy manage to damage a total of 6 cars in one drive? How did he even get his license? That car flew away as if the other car did some electric shock to it. It flinched like a cat touching water. Whatever car this guy has, or had considering the damage, must have been unbreakable by the way it handled the accident without killing the other guy. The car was trying to be like those killers in horror movies, and then made a fool of himself drifting off the road. I'd love to see what his explanation to doing that is. He was really swerving his car as if he had one day to live or something. I love how he didn't even know which direction he had to go and then crashed into someone. Where do these types of people get their licenses from? I need some proof that it was actually a person driving because it's impossible for them to be so stupid. The way the car just stupidly crashed into the other car and runs away pisses me off so much. I seriously don't know where these people learn how to drive. How did he not think that driving so fast was a bad idea? I fail to understand these types of people. How did 3 people total their cars in one drive? Was this guy like the chosen one to see all car accidents or something? The fact that both cars have the same pressure, so it was like a game of tug-of-war. He got pushed, but then the other car got pushed harder. That was such a childish accident. It's like the driver only hit a little bit because they wanted revenge, but not too much revenge. The domino effect does happen because of one mistake. That mistake being letting this driver on the road and not behind bars. I love the way this person reacts when a car crash happens. These people really need to get their eyes checked before getting on the road. This truck was really twirling as if it was a ballerina. I can't even imagine how much rage the driver must have been feeling. It looks like the truck driver was waiting for the other driver to turn into the lane so he could crash into him. There's no way the truck driver thought he could defend himself.